inyanga yolusha, and so bungaza le nyanga to June. Uyakhumbula ngo June 16 izinto ezenzeka, many sacrifices were made by young people, and sitheke asibe nabo la, and sibakhombisa ukuthi the challenges they go through, inkinga abadlula kuzona inkinga, and that we can bangakwazi ukuthi banganqoba ngokuthi baba abantwana ba-focused, and abakwazi ukubekezela. Sibone ama-grounds, sport field ebekade sisinotshani, and sinama-alien plants. Iminyango ulekelele ukuthi kuclearishwe lokho, kuneyengadi lapha, and ezitshaliwe. Sinethemba ukuthi abantwana-ke bazosibenekelela, ngoba uyazi mawutshale isitshalo ukuthi wenza impilo, and ukubona sesikhiqiza ila usuthola khona i-satisfaction ukuthi you saw it right from the beginning until it delivered the results. It means that, and uningi okufundile in the process.